Escape the noise, the flashing light. Found this hallway late at night. A single bulb, a distant gleam across the tile. A silent stream of water, dark. The floor is slick, a paper cup, a lonely trick. The show is on without me. I hear the muffled beat. Backstage, wet floor, quiet hum, nothing more. Backstage, wet floor, waiting by the closed door. This mirror is here, a dusty pane, a lipstick smudge, a ghost of pain whose name was taped, a faded script, a promise made, a moment slipped. I sing to you, where did you go? This empty stage, a silent show. The show is on without me. I hear the muffled beat. Backstage, wet floor, a quiet hum, nothing more. Backstage, wet floor, waiting by the closed door. Just the kick drum, a steady pulse, a faucet drips, a soft impulse. The bulb flickers, no turning back. I'm the encore, nobody asked. My voice trembles, a shadow cast.